What's going on, everybody? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in Denver, Colorado. I'm with my chamaca,
Taisha.
and today we're going to show you the behind the scenes of a fitness shoot, but we're going to use something a little bit different. I get asked all the time, do you have to have strobes or can constant lighting deliver quality results? Well, we are going to test it out today. We've got a couple different LED light sources. We've got we have 3 different brands that we'll be using today. Now, I did get sent out the GVM SD200D. It's a 200-watt LED light. We're going to use that as a key light. I also have a Litemons LA200D that we're going to use as an edge light back here. Then I have 2 Godox TL60s that we're going to be using for the other edge light. I'm really not sure what the shot's going to look like. Do you know what they're going to look like? They're going to look like this. See, I can like edit and have it show it like that. Yeah, do it again.
Like
But don't go like this, because it makes you shoulder go up.
like this.
We're going to show you the shots and see what we can do. The goal is to make her abs pop as much as possible. It might be a challenge. We'll use this light to see if it is a feasible option for a fitness shoot in a studio environment. Outdoors, I can tell you already, outdoors it's not bright enough to have enough punch outdoors in the midday sun. And that's where strobes definitely have the advantage, but we're gonna see how these do inside this controlled environment. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. All right, so for fitness lighting, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to have the key light a little bit higher going down. I'll have her face adjust to where I position the light, because I don't want the light too high if she's looking towards me, because then she'll get some funky shadows underneath her eyes. All right, so we have the key light. If you notice, I'm gonna have the key light, I'm gonna have the light feathered away from the background, because I don't want to light the background. I wanna keep that black. So this light, I'm gonna feather, turn to the side. If she turns her body this way, let's see. Nice thing about LEDs, WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. So you see the highlight right here on the top of the ab, and then these lights here are gonna give you the edge lights on the side. So you have a highlight going into a shadow, highlight shadow. You have a highlight on the back side. This light here, I might change this light position right now because she has such dark hair. I do wanna separate the hair from the background, so I might keep the light here. I might bring another light down below just to carve out the glutes a little bit. Let's see what this looks like. Right there. Arch lower back a tiny bit more. Right there, chin down. Good, I want you to flex that right arm as much as possible. Good, deep breath. Core, good. Bring that back elbow, that left one. Hold onto the shirt with one hand. Good, let's take that backhand left one. Push all the hair over behind you. Like that, perfect, good. I see those veins. Good, big arch. Good. I'm shooting at f1.2, 1/200, and ISO 100. Turn the face to me. Good, relax, hold it. So this is where having a bigger modifier for that backlight will come in handy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this one just for the glutes. Right there, just like that. Good, rotate upper body to me a tiny bit more. Eyes on me, good. All right, so now we're gonna swap the position. We have the same settings. I'm not gonna adjust any of the camera, but I'm gonna move this light to the back and the back light to the front. We're gonna see if there's any difference in the brands of LED lights. The GVM SD200 now is in the back. We're gonna use that as a hair light. And we moved the Litemons LA200D to the front for the key. Already, we've noticed that this light is a little bit brighter, although they're both 200-watt LED lights. This one seems to have a little bit more punch. All right, let's take a few shots and let's see what they look like. Good, right there. Good, like that, perfect. Good, good, and let's have you turn, rotate facing this way. Good, try to do like a similar pose to the last one. Good, yeah. So we've got 3 of the Godox TL60s. One up tall for our edge, one down below for the abs, one down below for the lower part of the glutes. This light here we're using to separate the hair because we're shooting black on black. And then we have the key right here. All right, so the question is, are these lights gonna be enough to be used in the studio for a fitness photo shoot? Well, there's some pros and cons. One, because the lights are so bright, well, they're bright, but they're not bright enough to be used outside of the studio. Inside the studio, they're great. If this were daytime, then these lights would struggle a little bit more, because again, I'm shooting at 1.2, ISO 100, 1/200. So if I were shooting this midday in the studio, the ambient light would definitely impact the shot. The reason why it doesn't right now is because we're shooting at almost 11:30 at night. With these lights here, not good enough for outdoors, and these are not battery operated except for the Godox TL60s. But even though those are battery operated, they're not bright enough to take outside either. So pros and cons, in a studio environment, they're great. If I were doing video right now, the video would be amazing. Well, you guys probably see now the way that she's lit up. Video, incredible. Photo, definitely a lot more limited. Do I recommend these for fitness photography inside the studio at nighttime? Yeah, they're nice. Nice thing is you can see exactly what the lights do. If you're brand new to strobes, these are a great way to learn photography because, again, what you see is what you get. You're able to see, go ahead, flex. You're able to see exactly, like right here, I see the edge light on the front side of the core. You see your obliques. You see the underside of the glutes. And so having that light already there makes shooting fitness a lot more fun because you can see exactly what you're gonna get. Strobes are gonna give you a lot more flexibility. So if you're really serious about photography, these are great to start out. I think the price on this is $300. Price on that is $300 as well. If you're doing any kind of video, these are amazing. These are actually really good. I dig the video capability. Well, there you go. There you see the behind the scenes of a fitness shoot using 200-watt LED lights. Hopefully you figured out something new. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Be sure to follow her on social media. Be sure to watch our last video where she tells you 5 of her favorite fitness model posing tips. And be sure to give her a follow and support her as she is prepping to step on stage in 2 weeks, 3 weeks? In 3 weeks. We'll see you next time. Keep shooting.